and welcome to episode 2 of the 5-Star Grow Along.
Last week we showed you that we planted tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini.
And we did our very first measuring, mixing, and watering with the 5-Star Grow Kit. Ready to check out the garden, Rotten?
I thought you'd never ask. To the Growmobile!
Buckle up!
Lift off!
How's it looking, Rotten?
No bugs, no problems. All quiet on this front.
All right. Ready to measure up? Let's see how much our plants have grown and compare them to last time.
Wow, 15.5 inches tall.
Last time our tomato plant was 12 inches tall. How much taller does that make it now?
I'm a vegetable ripe, not a mathematician.
That's 3.5 inches more than last time. I used a calculator.
Well, would you look at that? All 3 plants have grown.
Our zucchini plant is 2.5 inches taller, and the pepper plant is 1 inch taller.
They grow up so fast.
Hey, it's that time again. Time to grab our grow kit.
Let's get to it.
Oh, and don't forget, we're still in the seedling phase this week. Hey, helping hands. Could we get a hand over here? Thanks, helping hands.
All right, looks like that's it.
We'll be back next week to see how much they've grown, and check for any pests or disease, and to mix and water in the 5-Star recipe.
And you can do the same at home.
Get your very own grow kit and tune in next time. You can find a link in the description below.
If you haven't already, get your grow kit and join the Grow Along.
And remember to check in on your plants throughout the week. Depending on the weather, you may need to water them more often.
And for best results, water in the 5-Star recipe 3 times per week.
So until next time, like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more videos. And to learn more, visit SierraNaturalScience.com.
See you later.
Bye for now.